Hello, everyone. It's me, Madam Pamita, and I have a very exciting announcement. I wore my hair down mermaid style just for this special announcement. What is it? In August, we are doing an amazing giveaway. I want you to win a candle spell. Would you like to win a candle spell? It's so easy to do. This month, August, we're giving away a very special candle spell kit, the beautiful Mermaid Magic spell kit. It comes with this gorgeous beeswax mermaid candle in whatever color you want. We make it in 10 different colors for 10 different magical purposes. And it comes with those shells, sea salt for magic, and herbs for magic as well, and complete instructions, step-by-step instructions. It is absolutely foolproof. If you've never done a spell before, you can do the spell, I promise you. So how do you get in on all this goodness? Well, you simply go to magickgiveaway.com, sign up, and at the end of the month, we're going to draw and select one person to win this beautiful spell kit. But don't worry, if you don't win, we're still going to have a special surprise for you. Just wait. You'll get an email with that surprise. And every month, we're going to have a different candle spell kit that we're going to be raffling off, giving away. Anyone over the age of 18 can enter anywhere all over the world. So if you're in another country other than the US, don't worry. We'll still ship it to you. So I would love for you to win this beautiful candle spell. So why don't you go to magickgiveaway.com. You'll see the place to sign up and go ahead and do that. And we'll have a drawing at the end of the month and you'll get an email. Maybe you'll be a winner. Either way, you'll be a winner. I promise you. All right. So head on over to Magick Giveaway right now and do it and enjoy. And maybe you'll have some mermaid magic in your life.